What if I told you that injecting blood or plasma from someone 20 years younger than you can actually reverse your aging? Let's talk about it. In this very cool study published in Nature Aging, scientist Dr. Valletta led an experiment to study the rejuvenation effects of young blood or plasma. To carry out this investigation, scientists conjoined two sets of mice. The first pair that they conjoined was two aged mice, which they termed isochronic. The second pair that they conjoined was an aged and a young mouse, which they termed heterochronic. One of the first things that they observed between the two groups was in the aged and young mouse, there was an increase in dendritic spines, which you can see here, compared to their counterparts, which is the isochronic group. So what are dendritic spines and why are they so important? Well, dendritic spines are these protrusions that you see coming out of the neurons, and they serve as sites of signal transductions, and they typically decrease in normal aging. An increase in dendritic spines is a powerful indication of the rejuvenation effects of young plasma on cognitive capacity. To translate these findings into behavioral studies, the scientists then ran a radial water maze, which looks something like this. The mouse would be placed in the center here, and in some of these maze trials here, food would be placed. And it is the mouse's job to find and remember the rewards that are placed in some of these compartments around. So, scientists injected an aged mouse with young or old plasma and found that aged mouse injected with young plasma were better at remembering the food placements and made less mistakes when navigating the maze, as indicated in this graph here. On the y-axis you can see the number of errors, and these different lines indicate whether the aged mouse was injected with young plasma over here or old plasma down here. And as you can see, the mouse injected with aged plasma had higher mistakes, and the mouse injected with young plasma had lower number of errors. All in all, this data represents an exciting opportunity to explore young plasma as a therapeutic intervention for countering the effects of aging. This also opened doors for future studies to look at the components of young plasma to elucidate the factors that are responsible for the cognitive restoration that were explored in these studies. Stay tuned. If you're interested in aging research and longevity research and studies, please follow me. I like to talk about all things aging and healthy living. Thanks for watching.